How to fix Google Drive app keep crashing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on how can you fix a crashing Google Drive app. So first thing first, you could try cleaning your cache and data. For that, you just want to open up settings onto your device and go to the apps section from the list and locate drive. Now then go to the storage section and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just keep it usual. And once you've done that, try updating your app as well. So go to your respective app store, type in Google Drive on the search bar, and try updating your application. That should be able to help you out as well. And this way, you should be able to fix your Google Drive. And then you just want to make sure to other thing do is uninstall your Google Drive, once again reinstall. That might also be able to help. If nothing works out, then you want to simply restart your device, and that is definitely going to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.